watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Again, heat here across West Michigan today. High temperatures were up around 90 inland. We hit 90 in Kalamazoo, 89 Grand Rapids. Along the lakeshore, some relief if that's what you're looking for. We were in the mid 70s and still are. Grand Haven State Park right now. This thermometer sensor is at Bilmar Restaurant, which, if you're familiar with the state park, is right there on the beach. Sand butts up to it. We're at 75. Big Red out in Holland, there's a little weather station there just on the other side of the channel from the lighthouse. It's at 69 right now, but inland you can see we're well into the 80s here across West Michigan. Heat index is the measurement of what it feels like when you factor in the humidity, because the more humidity there is in the atmosphere, the tougher it is for your body's sweat to evaporate. So the higher this number is, the more uncomfortable it gets. And notice the heat index is actually lower than the air temperature. That's because it's so dry out. It's hot, but it feels a little more comfortable than if we had a lot of humidity in the atmosphere. It's just one of those things. Now, the channel for the warmth is the southwest breeze, and we have a lot of that going on right now, obviously, with southwest winds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. These are going to keep up overnight, and they'll slacken a little bit, but tomorrow through the day, winds will shift southwest to west. Still a lot of hot air here for West Michigan. If you're headed out tonight, this is what it looks like. We'll see clear skies by 9 p.m. We're at 76 degrees. Southwest winds between 5 and 10. A very mild evening if you have outdoor plans. Now, a couple of things we're going to keep an eye on over the next several days. Of course, we've got the hot weather coming tomorrow for Grand Rapids, mid to upper 90s. Along the lakeshore, a little bit cooler.
All right, what's the matter?
And then areas near Kalamazoo, Battle Creek will be up near 100 degrees. Rain chances coming up tomorrow are very small, as they are coming up also on Friday as well. Here's a look at temperatures through the day tomorrow. Again, wanted to show you this graphically, give you an idea of where the hottest weather is going to be. Look for the purple on your screen. That's tomorrow afternoon and evening. Hastings, Battle Creek, Kalamazoo, Sturgis and Coldwater, 100 degrees, 97 in Grand Rapids, and there you can see the cooler air. Need some relief? Either head inside with air conditioning or head to the lakeshore, especially Holland northward, where we will have temperatures in the 70s. Okay, now the 8-day forecast calls for the hot weather to stick around here for some time. We've got temperatures of 92 coming up on Friday with just a small chance of showers, thunderstorms. Looks like they'll be south of I-96 if we get anything. Saturday, hot and dry. Sunday, a little bit cooler, little break from the heat in the upper 80s. Showers, thunderstorms. This looks like our best chance of the week at 40%. Dry on Monday, back into 90. Heat wave continues next week. And finally, temperatures slowly cooling off toward the middle of next week, Wednesday, Thursday in the mid 80s.
It's going to take a while.
Yeah, it's here. Yeah, and that's the thing. I mean, these big bubbles of warm air are slow movers, and it's decided it's going to park itself over the Great Lakes, and we're the beneficiaries, or we have to deal with it, depending on your point of view.
Speaking of parking itself, Bill just called. He's at Rose's deck.
Oh, meet him there after the show.
Yeah. Thanks, Kyle.
Okay.